Where could my Johnny be?
Cheer up, Judy. That bamboo rat said a red panda passed through earlier. That must have been Johnny.
Which means we're on the right track.
Actually, I think you're right. I smell something.
Sorry, I stepped in something pretty funky back there.
No, it smells just like Johnny!
How can you tell? I don't smell anything.
Red pandas leave special scent trails behind that only they can smell, especially when they're in love.
This way! Oh, I know that smell anywhere! Johnny, it's me!
That's Johnny? Not quite what I was expecting.
That's just a tree stump, Wally.
Looks like we missed him again.
Johnny marked this stump with his special smell, and it's fresh. He must be close by.
What's she doing?
Red pandas sometimes chirp to each other when they're in love. If Johnny's close by, he'll chirp back.
Johnny!
Was that Johnny?
I don't think so. Judy, it's starting to rain pretty hard. Maybe we keep searching once this storm passes?
But by then, his scent will be washed away, and we'll never find him. I guess there's always next year.
Don't give up, Judy. I promise we'll find him. But it is getting really muddy. If this rain keeps up, it could start a... Huh?
Listen! This way!
Judy, wait!
Johnny!
It could be dangerous!
Johnny? Johnny!
Judy?
Johnny, there you are!
Oh, Judy, I was just...
Huh?
What's that sound?
Get back! The rain's creating a...
Mudslide!
Johnny!
Judy!
Quick! We've got to save him!
Hang tight, citizen! We're coming to rescue you!
Kids, Clade Claw! Yeah.
Sam! Are you okay?
Help!
Come on, Judy!
Hurry! Waterfall!
Here he comes! Judy, grab him!
Judy!
Gotcha!
Can't quite pull him up!
Cluebots, go!
Still not enough!
Judy! Don't let me go! Oh!
Johnny!
I'm coming, citizens! Wally'll save ya!
Wally, be careful!
I've got you!
I'm all right.
Whew. Nice save back there, Wally.
Just doing my duty. Yeah, well, the two little lovebirds.
Judy! You saved me.
Oh, Johnny, we were looking for you all day. Where did you go?
Well, I know it sounds silly, but I went to pick these for you.
Bamboo blossoms? My favorite.
I wanted a special way to tell you that I really, really, really like you.
Oh, Johnny, I really, really, really like you too.
Aww.